there, it's Ashley from WTI. I had been looking for a great suit for my son for a special occasion. I came across this one. This is from S.H. Churchill, and he absolutely loves it. This comes with 6 pieces: the jacket, pants, matching vest, a white dress shirt, a necktie, and a bow tie. It's 100% polyester, which means it's very durable, easy to clean. I steamed this to get out the wrinkles and they came out with no problem. I really like that the buttons all match the fabric, adding to the polished look of this set. I also really enjoy that this suit can be worn with other shirts underneath, or you can keep it fancy with the white shirt and vest. It's very well made with this quality stitching. I will say that my son is very picky when it comes to his clothes, but he absolutely loves this suit. It comes with 2 options for the neckties. You can do the standard tie or a bow tie, and they come with adjustable backs and also clips, which makes it super easy to get on and off. My son looks so handsome in this suit. Yes, I might be a little biased, but he does get so many compliments when he wears it, and as far as the fit, it's definitely true to size. I really enjoy the versatility of this suit. It can be worn on formal occasions or semi-formal. You can wear the pieces all together for a nice complete look, or pair the pants with a button-down shirt. The pants have an elastic waist in the back, again adding to that comfort level that we know our kids need. So if you are looking for a suit for your child, I 100% would highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.